Vedic mathematics is a part of Atharva Veda, one of the 4 Vedas of Indian culture. Atharva Veda basically deals with arts, science, mathematics and sculpture. The basic of Vedic mathematics of Atharva Veda has been redesigned by Shankaracharya Krishna Tirath Ji Maharaj. Vedic maths is his brainchild as he has rewritten it in the form of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Now let's see the benefits of learning Vedic mathematics. It enhances the calculation power. It increases the flexibility of brain. It enhances the aptitude. The practice of Vedic maths involves active participation of right and left part of the brain that results in the making of human mind proactive and enhances the visualization power. It is applicable to all the competition examinations. It increases our calculation efficiency, which effectively result in a lot of time saving. To begin with, let's take the first sutra method, Nikhilam, also known as all from 9 and last from 10. This sutra is used for finding complements of any given number. According to sutra, subtract unit place of number from 10 and other from 9. Let's take 3-digit number 723. Applying Nikhilam to 723, we get the complement as 277. Let us take another example of 4-digit number 4325. As per the rule, we subtract all digit from 9 and last digit from 10. We get the result as 5675. This 5675 is a complement of given number 4325. Let us take an example of 4-digit number 4270. Repeat the method as done earlier. After applying Nikhilam, we get an additional digit at unit place, that is 1. In Vedic maths, if we get an additional digit at any place, we carry it forward to the adjacent left digit. Now take this additional digit as carry forward and add it to the adjacent left digit. That is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. We get the net result as 5730, which is the complement to the given number 4270. We take another example as 3260. Repeating the operation, we get an additional digit at the unit place. Again, we proceed as we have done earlier. We get the net result 6740 as a complement of 3260. We can apply this method to any number. We now move to the next sutra, Ekanunen Purvain, that is also known as 1 less than the one before. This method says subtract 1 from the last digit or the digit at unit place. Let us take a number 745. We apply the mentioned sutra. This number becomes 744. Special case. We take the example 730. That is, when we have 0 at unit place. As we consider 0 as 10 in Vedic maths, so we subtract 1 from it and simultaneously reduces the adjacent left digit by 1. The final result is 729. We now move to the third most significant sutra of Vedic maths, that is Ekadikain Purvain, also known as 1 more than 1 before. We now take a 4-digit number 4268 as an example. As the sutra says, add 1 to the last digit, net result comes to be 4269. Consider the number 6379, which has 9 at unit place. On application of sutra, we get 2 digits at unit place. So we carry the extra digit to adjacent left and add it. The net result is 6380.